Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a dark black smoky eye using the OG Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I'm going in first with this mustard yellow shade and dusting that into the transition area. Now I'm going in with this red shade. I think it's called Hunts, but I don't know. And I'm taking that and I'm dusting it just a little bit lower in the crease area. We are working our way down and building up the darker colors as we go. This is giving it such a nice rich sunset effect. I absolutely love going in with these tones in a smoky eye. Now I'm going in with a rich chocolatey dark brown and deepening up that crease even more. Like I said, we are just going darker and darker all the way down. And now we're going to hit you with the black. And so this is the most important step to ensure that you are not getting all unblended looking, to blend some black into the crease before going in with your black eyeshadow base. And now, oh my god, this is going so fast. Now we are covering the black base with some matte black eyeshadow and doing some swirly motions right along the crease to make sure that we are blending out that black shadow and creating a beautiful gradient so that we don't have any harsh lines, darling. Blending, blending, blending. Now we're going back in with those colors that we already went in with, starting with the red, just to make sure that we have the perfect seamless blend. And now onto the mustard yellow. We are dusting it and it's getting the perfect sunset effect. So warm and rich. Now we're going back in with the black and doing the under eye, keeping this black as close to the lash line as possible. And we're smoking it out using the same colors we used on top. So we're going in with that chocolatey brown and we're dusting it right under the black. Now going on to that red shade and putting that even lower, we're creating such a rich effect. I don't know how many times we're going to say this is a beautiful sunset, boy. And now we can't forget that yellow. I'm telling you, this sunset smoky eye is my favorite. I can't say it enough times. It packs such a punch. Now we're popping in some inner corner highlight with this shimmery white shade just to make sure your eyes don't get lost in the sauce, you know what I'm saying? And now it's the finished look, baby. I am telling you, this is the best smoky eye look you will ever rock, and if you blend, it's gonna look perfect. Yeah.